Hey, this is James with Yelton's Flooring, and we're going to show you today how you can do a flooring repair. Come on in. So you can see here how it's all torn up, and we're low on materials, so that we have to utilize as many materials as possible. So what we're going to do first is we've drawn a square line on the damaged boards where we will cut. Square line. On the damaged boards that we're going to cut. Square line, square line, square line, square line. Now this is important. You have to offset your lines so they're not all square. If all your lines are square, it's going to look really bad. So notice the offset lines. It doesn't have to be much, but they have to be offset at least a little bit to utilize the most materials. Okay, we're good. All right, we're a little farther along here. We're going to be putting that board in right there. Okay, we're going to have to splice it in, so I'm going to show you guys what we got to do. We got to cut this tongue off right here. Bam. Okay, and we're going to start right here. We're going to tap the board in. And then we're going to allow it to go right into that board. Alright, we're going to show you guys how to do the last boards on a repair. So follow me. Alright, we've already got our boards cut to size to fit in this hole. The next step is trimming off of our smaller area here. Just nice and easy with your blade. Just like that. Trim it off of this small one here. Just like that. Okay. You want to then use premium construction adhesive PL 3 times stronger. Loctite. And we want to be very liberal, even though we support Donald Trump. Very liberal with the glue. And then we want to drop our boards in. Like Madonna, and that's how you finish it off. You get your final cut put in. You weight it down like this. So what we're doing now is we are taping and getting ready to fill all of our cuts that we had done in repairing this floor. And some of these are a little bigger because they were the end boards. That's the next step. Next, we're going to find a sealer that matches our floor. In this case, this is the closest one.